The man, the legend, Michael Winslow.
I am. Sorry about that, man.
Oh, that's okay. Wait, you know what? You got me. We've been having sound issues, and so I was like, is it messed up? Michael, thank you so much for coming on. You are a legend, and you were phenomenal tonight on the show. What did it feel like stepping on the dream-making stage of AGT?
It is another planet. When you're on that stage, it's a different atmosphere, different planet. But I'm glad to see everybody in the meantime.
So we gotta ask, what have you been up to since your audition?
Oh, a lot of travel, because I've been doing a lot of live things. I just finished doing a whole thing in the Pacific Northwest with Morgan Preston comedian, a friend of mine. We were doing a thing where I make noises, but I have a drummer, and we have a guitar player, and a bunch of other folks. It's called the Unicorn Pony Invisible Band. Folks seem to be happy so far.
So you said you've been making noises since you were a kid. So I want to know, what did it feel like the moment when you were like, I'm making money with this? That actually is
strange how that works. That actually was one of the first times I really got really paid to do it, was on the Gong Show. Yeah, with Chuck Barris. So I got $516.32.
And it was like $1 million, right?
Yeah, to me it was. Yeah.
So I want to know, obviously you've had such a great career. What do you say to other performers that have had great careers? Because I know sometimes they're like, I'm not going to go on a show like AGT, but I really feel that these shows can continue a dream, change a dream. What is the message you would tell them?
Well, if you remember, the thing about AGT is you're allowed, there's not a stiff dress code. You come as you are.
Yep.
And so basically you bring yourself, and that's the one thing that I've liked about this show. And I mean, I enjoy all the other shows because when you think about it, all these shows, including AGT, this is American entertainment. This is good American production. You know what I'm saying? This is the American dream, really. And I hope that this is able to inspire, a little bit, for folks to go out and make their own noise in the world. Yeah,
you definitely are inspiring people.
Well, I'll tell you what you do. You got to do something for me. You got to make a noise for me. All right, you ready?
Okay.
This is opening a door. If the first part it's two pieces, okay? First part is.
Ooh,
how did you do that?
That's it. Do it again. Yeah, very good. And then go.
What? Oh, my mind is blown.
And then
okay, let's try that. I sound like a velociraptor.
Actually, that's pretty good for a velociraptor. So if there's a velociraptor right behind the door, it would go. Man, I ain't hungry. You'll get there, man. Just practice. But remember, never make animal noises in front of animals, because they have an opinion of their own. And you might be saying something you shouldn't be saying. And for those of you folks outside that have the dog next door, shut up!
Oh my gosh, it is incredible. I'm going to be talking about this all night.
That sounds like my house. Yeah. That sounds like exactly, when my dogs are barking and my mom is just like, you need to cut it out.
Yeah, you're gonna kill it on the show.
When I'm around, don't have the speaker on when I'm around, because I'll start a bark around. That's where you go outside. You go outside in the neighborhood and you just go and just wait for it to travel all the way around the neighborhood, because all the other dogs are going. That takes about 10 minutes. That's called a bark around.
A lot of people want to know so many things about you, and I want you to tell us something that nobody knows, like a fun fact.
Gee, I don't even know where to begin. I'll tell you what a fun fact. I would love to be able to have my own pop vinyl or Funko toy and put noises in it.
Ooh,
that would be so cool.
That'd be incredible.
How do I make it make noise? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Well, we got to get Funko on the line.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, we got to figure that out now. This is a Shark Tank idea.
But if you pick it up, am I ever going to go, or is it more like, depending on who picks it up?
Oh my goodness, this is so awesome.
and because you guys are voiceover people, and because you're voiceover artists, practice accents. Get really good at accents, because it'll make you stretch. and
Okay.
practice timbre and different pitches and different ranges of your voice. Play with it. Play with just a little bit of sound or a lot of sound. But you're
It's
gonna.
funny that you're saying that. We have a new editor that works with us who is British, and we try to have that accent. I can't even do it around him. He talks, and it's just.
Oh, isn't he? He's British, isn't he?
That was so good.
The life of Lance has given you hearts and smiles. And then somebody said, "Can he do a can opener?"
Oh, sure. It keeps falling off, man. Shut up. You'll get yours later.
That's from Scarlet Blue.
I think I broke it.
Wow, guys, you are getting a show from Michael Winslow, the legend. This is awesome.
But all you got to do
Wow.
is practice. You can do this. All you got to do is practice.
Yeah.
Well,
You know, here's an easy one for you. Here's an easy one. And it's the same area as what we were doing. Window cleaner. Just go. There you go. There you go. You got it.
But I'm doing it, and spit's flying everywhere.
yeah, I'm getting covered.
Maybe I should teach you how to do Morgan Freeman instead. Maybe that would help. Huh?
Oh, please.
All right, here we go. You do it really, really low, just a little bit of air. Just go, I don't really care if you like that or not.
I don't really care if you like that or not.
Low. Just go.
Lower.
I've seen many things, but that's not one of them.
I've seen many things, but that's not one of them. Look, she's laughing at me. Let me see you do it.
I've seen
If you
many
laugh, it's
things,
good.
but that's not one of them.
Oh, yes. Our producer just said a lot of people in our audience are asking for the helicopter. We'll end it with that one.
Okay. Well, all right. Well, repeat after me. Okay. We'll see if we can do this. Since we're riding in a helicopter together. All right. Just go. Yeah, we're getting ready.
Don't worry about Howie Mandel.
He could have gone into his Gizmo voice.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you too.
That's so cute.
Oh, my goodness.
You know, this is the ability for me to be able to share some of this and have some fun, you know, in the meantime, because my job is to help everybody forget about the rent for an hour. You know, that's the shows that I do. So hopefully a little bit of something for everybody. Well, they can reach me on Instagram, because Michael_Winslow. Under Twitter, it's Noisy Man, of course, with a Z. I am Michael Winslow TV on YouTube and on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/Michael Winslow TV. And of course, I'm on Facebook. And all you have to do is go. But you got to make your own noises.
Thank you, Michael, so much.
Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you so much. And you guys made about 10 noises each. So guess what? You did it. You made noises.
Yes, because of you.
We did it!
Yeah, you did. Yeah, congratulations. You didn't even know you could, and you did it.
No. Well, kill it on the show. We can't wait to watch you, and we hope to have you back here again, okay?
I will. Thank you. Keep practicing.
All right, we will.
Thank you.
Hey, what are you doing tonight? Well, I think you should hit that subscribe button down below and then we can talk.